much. Well, with the state's positivity rate continuing to climb, many COVID testing sites are still on overload. The state's largest health center is trying to cut down on those long wait times right now. News 12 Connecticut's Lauren Fabrizi shows us how.
Omicron has a high transmissibility. Those lines are incredible. People are waiting 4 hours, 5 hours.
And while health officials expect the demand for COVID-19 tests to wind down in the next few weeks with the holiday season coming to a close, Community Health Center is doing what they can in the meantime to help reduce the spread of COVID-19.
We were so fortunate to get thousands of these quick test kits that we've been distributing to our patients.
Thanks to aid from the federal government, Community Health Center has handed out several thousand of those test kits at their clinics when patients come in for a primary care visit. CHC has been dropping off the kits at homeless shelters too, and now they're making sure first responders have enough, recently stopping by the Stamford Police and Fire Departments.
We simply can't afford to have our fire department and our police department all call out, right? So we have to figure out ways to make sure they're protected so that we're all protected at the end of the day.
I just think it's a #1 priority for me.
CHC's efforts are in addition to 3 million at-home tests the state will soon distribute to towns and schools.
Lots of work to do, lots of logistics.
CHC CEO Mark Maselli says while there's a downside to an increase in at-home testing,
I will say we're going to be a little blind in terms of what the real positivity number is.
He says the plus is that at-home tests will lead to early detection.
The reality is if you really want to make sure our economy stays open and alive, really need to test pretty regularly.
In Stamford, Lauren Fabrizi, News 12 Connecticut.